So for this particular demonstration, I'm just going to be showing you the proper way to mix color that you will be using with a developer and like a color lift like by Charmed that you can pick up at your local Sally's. She is planning on actually adding color in her hair and just wanted to boost it a little bit to lift it up so that the color that she does add can make it a little bit more vibrant. So you will need a measuring cup, you will need a bowl. You also will need whatever you are using to enhance your developer. I'll be using this brand, I believe it's Charm, and also a 20 volume developer. I got all of this at Sally's, as well as the applicator brush. I also picked that up at Sally's. And you'll need your gloves, of course, for this. So for one application, you will definitely need to use it's calling for 1.5 to 2 ounces, I believe, of your 20 volume developer. I would recommend that you would use 20 volume developer. Anything higher than that can damage your hair. All of it can damage your hair, but anything higher than that is going to be a lot stronger. It's going to process it a lot quicker, but it can also really weaken your hair follicles. It can really cause your hair to experience a lot of breakage. But I'm just going to put in 2 ounces of this developer to mix with the color lift. And you want to be very careful that you don't go over the amount that it is recommending you to use. My apologies for the alarm. Also, so after you get your developer in there, you're going to want to put your color charm pack of boosting lift on the inside of it. After you pour all of that in there, you're just going to want to make sure that you mix it really, really well and make sure that it is completely, just that one consistency. Now, your processing times may vary just depending on your hair type. For this particular demonstration, she only wants one section of her hair lifted. And so I'm going to place it on there. And as soon as the color begins to lift, I'm going to wash it out with a neutralizing shampoo. And then I'm going to give her a deep conditioning treatment just to restore the moisture back in her hair.